literally down the back of your trousers, mate.
No, that'll be like splintery bars.
Very good.
When it has some
video.
tomato puree down the side. That'll be
You can see yourself, Chris.
Yeah.
There
I
he is.
actually want to see the state of
There he is.
Pull me out, please.
It doesn't look bad actually. In fact, mate.
Yeah, over there. Huh? I'll make a swing, then you jump up.
Oh, she dies.
It tastes very smoky.
You're right.
Why's your beard wet?
I was dribbling everywhere. Alright,
Well, I was going to throw you then, didn't you?
Oh.
Can you can? You can do that. God damn it, I just cleaned
I
that.
hope no murders ever happen here.
My granddad before a murder happened.
Private.
Playing his banjo.
We're out doing satanic rituals in the woods.
He's not talented enough for that.
I wasn't saying you. What?
Gordon.
Not a fucking clue.
That looks tasty.
Fire.
I'd eat that fire.
Fire is
was
my favourite
delicious.
kind of meal.
Oh, she's spitting everywhere.
Oh mate, it's gonna be.
That fire's gone nuts.
All you have to do is put the wood in my hole. Which way, left or right?
Straight up.
I think it's better if you just I mean, if you find the wood yourself and then chuck it in. Wow, team effort, much. I'll be carrying all this weight. You know.
Guys up in the fucking woods now.
Don't worry, just get a big handful and then put it in rather than just putting tiny bit and put it in here.
We're halfway through the path, like the steep hill.
Oh yeah.
I'll let you know when we're up at the straight path.
Hi guys. Chris alright?
Why wouldn't he be?
Just checking.
Chris, you alright?
Yeah. Why?
Chris said, yeah. Why?
Don't know if you got any fish parasites.
Are you waiting to put them in the bag? Oh.
No.
Because he like licked it up. But it was raw as a bit.
Did he?
Nah, mate.
If we're already grabbing like the big blue ones.
If you like to sort of kind and put them
Yeah, I do.
Spooky.
It's pretty scary.
Okay.
I'm not actually sure what this building was. It's a lot more destroyed than what it was when I was last here.
Yeah, as I said, I remember this window being destroyed.
It's all collapsed in. That was sealed, that was a sealed wall. That just had a little window. That there used to be like a little window.
Yeah. That's all fallen.
That's all fallen. That's all fallen. That was a fireplace, that's fallen. That might have been there.
That window was there, yeah. I remember putting a candle there. I remember looking behind me all the time.
Another fireplace there. Roofs have always been off.
But don't forget, it'll look low because of all the rubble that's there now, won't it?
No, I don't remember it being that low though.
I think it was.
Croissant!
Nicholas!